Hello YouTube and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today I have a knife to unbox from the YouTube Unboxers Pass Around group, and I will unbox it with the Titanium Arcade. It's the Tempest knives. No markings. There's the cloth, the sticker that's completely bent and not really worth much, I guess. Says peel, easy peel, whatever. I'm gonna open the packet or over the baggie and see what we got. Reverse flick it. Let's redo that. That feels a little weak. Is in D2. This could be a proto. I'm not sure. I'll know more in the next videos. It is a liner lock. Two position pocket clip. You can shake it out. Nice noise when it opens. Let's hear it again. No blade play. It's the Tempest Knives Microburst, I believe, from the YouTube Unboxers Pass Around group. Let me know what you think of this knife in the comment section below, and if you have it, how does it work for you? Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day, be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Look out for the guy girl to your left. Look out for the guy girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your yummy food, your pets, your video games, your music. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.